Real quick, let's talk about page 41 in our Alpha Plus book. Get my handed into pencil. We're going to talk about how to put numbers in order, and guess what? We get to use a number line with this one too. So we're going to compare and order numbers that are as small as 0 or as big as 100. So look at these missing numbers here. So we're going to look at where these spots are missing and see if we can figure it out. So we've got 35 here, 63. Let's figure where 63 would be. We know 63 comes after 62, so he would be right there. He was missing. He was the next biggest one, and that's so teeny tiny, I'm not sure I can write it there, but I'm going to try. Our next one's 89. Oh, right there's where 89 was missing, and I'm not going to write it. 57. There's 57. How about 37? 37 goes right there. I'm going to write it down. Now, we have a heat problem, Houston. 63 is not smaller than 57. I messed up. Don't know what I was thinking. That's what I get for being in a hurry. So now we can put these numbers in order. 35. What's our next biggest number? 37. And then 57 is our next biggest one. And then we've got what? Yeah, we got 63 is our next biggest one. Okay, that one was kind of weird. So we're just going to move on to the next one. Check this out. Let me make it a little bigger for ya. Just a little, maybe. Go away. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. You're going to have to bear with me here. I don't want to do that. Go away. See, teachers have the problems too sometimes, don't they? Trying to make this bigger for you people at home. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Check that out. Boom. Let me lock it. Awesome. All right. So we have the numbers 19, 38, 54, 24, 76. I'm going to do this first row for you, and then I want you to do 2, 3, and 4. And this is page 42 in your workbook. So 19. If we were going to put 19 on the hundreds chart, or on the number line, he would be just before 20. He would be right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put him. 19. 38 would go right here just before 40. I'm going to write him. This is really hard. Don't make fun of my 8. 54 would go in the middle between the 50 and the 60. So I'm going to write him. 54. Well, that 5 went crazy. 24 would be between the 20 and the 30. So I'm going to write him. Okay, 76 would be between 70 and 80. So I'm going to write him. Okay, so now we've got it all planned out. Let's see what's the smallest. The smallest will be the one closest to the 0. So right here I see 19 is closest to the 0. So that's going to be the smallest number on our list. Let's find out which number we run into next. Next I see 24. Next I see 38. I'm putting a comma in between these numbers because when you list things you need commas. Okay, next I see 54. And last but not least, I see 76. So we'll work on these at home. This might be a little hard for some of you, and that's okay because we're just now getting number lines and number order figured out. If you need to figure out which one is smaller, you can also get a 100s chart out, and you can see which number is closest to 0 on your hundreds chart too, and you'll know to start with that one and then go from there. So good luck, and holler if you have problems.